Hey everyone, how are you? In today's movie, I need to tell you something very important. At this very moment, XRP is getting ready to go as high as 10. It won't happen right away, maybe not even in a week, but you should get ready, because you'll want to make the most of the current price point. In this video, I'll talk about everything, including when XRP is going to hit that price target, how to use a very smart investment plan to get the most out of your money and make as much as possible, as well as a lot more. What I need you all to do is delete that like and subscribe button for me so everyone can see this. Let's start. Because of this, we're going to start today's movie in a slightly different way than usual. This is because the last 9 months have been absolutely crazy for XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all other cryptocurrencies. Okay, we got off to a great start this year. We saw huge price changes in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even XRP. I mean, just look back to February and March. We saw some great signs with XRP going as high as 74 cents. And some people said this was the start of the Bitcoin bull run. And if you guys were on my channel, I was telling you it was too early. And sure enough, we had a huge correction in April, just a month later. So what I want to say is that, yes, there are times when you feel like you're on top of the world and times when you feel like you're at a complete loss. Between 74 cents and 42 cents in 1 month, that's how much you will lose. That's what you should expect before the real bull run starts. And sadly, these kinds of bear traps, bull flags, and other things like that are just part of the job, right? People get mad at me sometimes because I say, you know what? You guys need to shorten this. You guys have bought way too much. Right now we should short. We sold a little XRP because it's been bought too much. Okay, so the technicals don't lie. And they are so incredibly true. And I'd like to go back even further to July 2023, please, where we saw the craziest green candle we've seen in a long time. Just so you know, from a low point of 46 cents on July 11th, XRP went up a lot. It went up to 92 cents in 1 day. Guys, the price of XRP doubled in just 1 day. Yes, this is exactly what XRP can do. Bitcoin isn't able to do that. Blockchain technology makes it hard for Bitcoin to do this because of how liquid the markets are, but XRP can do that, and I need to warn you guys to get ready for it because it will happen again. Now, tell me why that happened before. Yes, it was when XRP wasn't seen as a security. The SEC had to accept that they were mostly wrong at that point, right? At that point, Ripple pretty much won the case, right? We still have the court case going on, of course. Right now, all we're really looking at is, getting more information about how XRP looks. Also, there will be more mergers. I'm not sure what many of you are asking, but that's great, Levi. Thoughts? When will $10 be worth 10 XRP? When will those godlights and 2XS overnight happen again? That is a great question. I think we'll see a few 2XS happen overnight. It's going to happen soon. Now, let me take you back to 2021, the last bull run, to really show how that's going to happen. As a matter of fact, XRP did 2 and 3 times that in just a few days. This is very important because we're not in the bull run yet. We're not. It's still pretty early. There haven't been any consistent green candles or times when the price was overbought for long stretches of time. If you short at the wrong time, you will definitely lose all of your money. This is where we need to pay extra attention. Right now, the only reason I'm shorting XRP is because I know we haven't met the rules yet. So the first condition is that like most of the price action happens over the course of 20 days during every bull time. I want to make this very clear. You'll find that XRPC is a clear trend. If we go all the way back to December 2020, you can see that there was a big drop at the end of the year after a big rise. This is when Bitcoin was at its best. Along with Bitcoin, XRP was kind of following. XRP went from its high point of 26 cents to its low point of 78 cents during this time. That is important. Bitcoin reached its first, peak at this point in time. After that, there was a big drop in a time when prices stayed the same. However, and this is the part that almost no one talks about, I remember that this is, when everyone thought the bull run was over, in December 2020, at this point, XRP had reached a high point of 65 cents per coin, which wasn't too high and wasn't too far from its all-time high of 78 cents, right? Still pretty close. And it pretty much tanked to levels we never thought possible, right? In 1 month, it dropped from 78 cents to 19 cents per coin. Okay, we're talking about an XRP drop of about 90%. Basically completely crazy at this point in time. No one saw this coming. The price was so low at that time, and Bitcoin had also lost about half of its worth. And then, XRP slowly started to go up. It began to have higher highs and lower lows. It seemed like every time we had a nice boost, there was a small drop, but it wasn't a big deal. Then, of course, the highs got higher again and again. and higher highs all the way up until the peak, where XRP hit its all-time high of that bull market in April 2021 at $1.97. I thought that was amazing because that's the point, right? It's possible that you could have bought XRP right here for 20 cents, not even at the lowest price of 19 cents. If you did buy, you could have sold it here for more than $1. Guys, that's a 10x return on your money. That is completely crazy. At that point, you had only made 10 times your money in 4 months. And this is really what we're talking about here because XRP 100% is going to do a 10x again this time. There is no doubt in my mind about that because of how much money flows into XRP during these times. Like when we got to 92C in July 2023, right? Or when we hit this 74-cent level again in March of this year when Bitcoin was having a good time. There was a decline and both the lows and highs of the market went down at the same time. Yes, there was a time of consolidation. And yes, there have been terrible sell-offs. For example, in July of this year, we went from, I want 65 cents right here to I want 43 cents right here. Yes, that was a big drop, but we've always bounced back. We've had lower highs and lower lows, and this trend is still going strong. With the price where it is now, another correction is expected to happen soon, which is why I'm shorting XRP right now and also putting money into it over time. I do more than just trade futures. I'm also averaging my cost by $1. Right now, I buy XRP every single day. You guys are making the biggest mistake of your life if you don't do that. If XRP does what it did last time, it will go from 20 cents to multiple dollars, or oops, from 20 cents to almost $2 right here in 2021. You're likely to want to buy the lows. And the price of XRP has been really strong and stable, moving around 40 to 50 cents all the time. It seems like it could never go below 40 cents. You know what to do when it comes out, you go buy it. At this point, you just buy it. You buy it, even if it's only 50C. Bitcoin is now at a level that has never been seen before. In other words, XRP 100% can reach all-time highs. For God's sake, we saw it during a bear cycle. XRP was worth 92 cents. I've already talked about this too. XRP's liquidity is very low right now. This means that a supply shock can happen with just a few months of steady dollar cost averaging. To see what we saw in 2018, and here, where XRP was hitting several dollars, $3.30. That's why dollar cost averaging is important. It's also very important to trade the stochastic RSI right now. Selling XRP short when it's too expensive and buying it back when it's too cheap. To make a lot of money, you need these two things. That's why I'm waiting for XRP to fix itself right now. I do believe that XRP will drop to around 50 cents, and I'm betting on that. After that, I'm not going to open another short position on XRP for a few months because I don't know when this blow-off tops will happen. I can promise you one thing, though you'll all want to be long during that time. Not short because you're definitely going to be sold, so I guess this is our last chance to actually short XRP, and it looks like we're now definitely going down. Finally, after what seemed like a very strange time with the Fed and everything else, so yeah, it's time for us to short, make some money, and then go long off of that correction. This is probably our last chance to see a big correction that isn't risky. Please use the link below to sign up for Margex if you want to do that with me and make XRP just for trading. Do it for yourself and your family. Guys, by the end of this month, the prize pool will only be about $20,000. All you have to do is trade, trade, trade. Let's trade away and get this done, guys. I'm really excited about what's coming up. It is a fact that $10 XRP will happen in 2025. Get ready for that. You can trade with all of us if you join my Discord group. There are a lot of smart people there who are making a lot of money. Click like and subscribe so you never miss a movie. Also sign up for Margex. I love you all. See you next time and have a nice day.